Good morning, students. Hi, I'm Payal Parekh. I'm back, and today in Payal's Easy Commerce, we are starting with FI BCom Module 2 Sample MCQs. So let's understand what kind of questions you should keep in mind while you are preparing for the exams. Environmental factors are dash, stable, dynamic, isolated, none of the above. Generally, none of the above, all of them are not going to be there in your paper. So the answer for this particular MCQ is dynamic. Next one I have is Dash agreement is concerned with liberalization of international investment. Whenever the word investment is, you'll write TRIPS. Whenever the word intellectual property rights are going to be, you will write TRIPS. Whenever the word agriculture will be there, you will write AOA. So please keep this in mind while you are studying. The next one is the Dash agreement of WTO pertains to patents and copyright. So it is intellectual property rights. That is why it is TRIPS. The next one is Dash agreement is concerned with liberalization of international investment. So it is trade related investment measures, TRIMS. The value system and management philosophy are elements of Dash environment. So that I have is internal environment. Dash environment can be controlled. Internal environment can be controlled. Dash environment includes factors related to population. The answer is demographic. So you could be asked related questions on political or dash factors where the answer would have been economic. So while you are reading the types of environment, just have a reading as to what do you mean is political, what do you mean is economic. Analysis of competitor strategy is an element of dash environmental analysis. Internal, external, international, all of the above. The answer is external. Dash environment includes policies of the government. Sociographic, demographic, economic, none of the above. The answer is economic. Okay. Now, to pay fair wages to employees is one of the dash objective of business. So the answer is social objective. What is the answer? Social objective. Dash objectives are treated as primary objectives of business. Economic, social, organic, human. The answer is organic. Primary is always, like the one of the three options. But here in this case, primary is the real answer is organic. National objectives are closely related to dash. So national objectives are closely related to economic objectives. To earn profit is the dash objective of business. To earn profit is the economic objective of business. It is the economic objective of business. Social objectives are dash against profit making. So they are not against, they're not going to be for profit making. So they are not. So be careful while the questions you are attempting. Then the next one I have is, I had forgotten this in module 1. So I'm just quickly going through this as an extra attachment to module 1. Under globalization, production and marketing activities are conducted on large scale. On large scale. Global business leads to dash. Global business leads to interdependence of countries. Where am I? Global business leads to interdependence of countries. Disinvestment of PEs provide dash to the government. Disinvestment provides more funds. At present in India, overall preference is to the dash, is to private sector, because that's where competition and you get a better final product. Economic liberalization is new philosophy accepted in India, after which year, we had done this. So it is very important, and that is 1991. Okay. Dash refers to reduction of government control over business sector. So this is liberalization. Students, when I'm talking this, this November 16, November 17, why have I chose this? Because these have past questions that have come in the past papers. Okay. Then dash is the fastest growing sector of the world. The fastest growing sector, what is it? What is the fastest growing sector? Services export. What am I having? Services export. Globalization leads to dash world trade. Globalization leads to expansion of world trade. Globalization leads to expansion of world trade. Dash refers to transfer of any government function to the private sector. So here I have is dash refers to transfer of any government function to private sector. So the answer for this is going to be privatization. This is going to be privatization. Now we come back to module 2 extra MCQs. So business and its environment are dash. What is the answer going to be? Inseparable. Business and environment are inseparable. Environment needs dash study. So environment needs minute study. Minute, M-I-N-U-T-E or M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute or minute, the spelling remains the same. Minute or minute, the spelling remains the same. Business environment is a challenge and dash. So it is a challenge and an opportunity. Business has dash capacity to influence environment. So business has a, a limited capacity to influence environment. Favorable business environment should be used for business growth. Business environment is multifaceted. मतलब there is lot of dimensions to it. Environmental factors are dash. Environmental factors are dynamic. They are dynamic. Dash is necessary for removing thickness of an industrial unit. This is once again an extension for module 1, as I could not include that in my previous video tutorial. So here the first answer is restructuring. Restructuring comes in the dash in the life of business enterprises. So restructuring comes occasionally. What do I have? Restructuring comes occasionally. Turnaround is a dash strategy. Turnaround is a long-term strategy. Turnaround is a long-term strategy. Declining production, sales and profits suggests the need of dash. Suggests the need of turnaround. Turnaround is decided when a company is incurring losses. Surgical approach is dash to human approach in the introduction of turnaround strategy. So here I have is inferior. Dash refers to transformation of loss-making unit into a profitable one. So which strategy is going to do that? It is turnaround. Then I have is dash means converting loss-making company into profit-making. So with this, how will I happen? This is turnaround. Dash is an example of internal growth strategy. What is an example of internal growth strategy? Internal growth strategy I have is product development. Turnaround is a dash strategy. It's a long-term strategy. Thank you, students.